If you have ever tried to just use your regular razor down there, you already know. Wrong tool, wrong job. In this video, we will show you 7 best male grooming trimmers for below the belt and beyond, so you can stay neat, clean, and confident without fear of nicks or razor burn. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Manspot Ceraglide. Manspot Ceraglide is a solid choice if you're upgrading from cheap clippers or a face razor and want something built for sensitive areas. The big win here is comfort. The anti-cut blade plus a high-power motor give you a faster, smoother trim with far less tugging and irritation. The blade is made from aerospace-grade materials, which sounds fancy, but basically means it is strong, precise, and designed to be safer on delicate skin. If you stretch the skin and go slowly, you can tidy the groin and pubic area with a lot more confidence than a standard body clipper. It is also convenient for different styles. With 4 guard lengths, from a very close 1.5 millimeters up to about 12 millimeters, you can choose everything from almost clean to a neat, trimmed look that makes it useful not just for the balls, but also for chest, underarms, and any body hair you want to manage. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Vikicon. Vikicon is for guys who want a simple, practical trimmer that still feels thoughtful and modern. It is marketed as a groin hair trimmer, but it easily covers balls, chest, legs, and more, so you are not buying a device that only does one job. One of the standout details is the built-in LED light. That might sound minor until you are trimming in a dim bathroom or trying to see finer hairs in awkward angles. The light helps you spot what you are doing, lowering the chances of missing spots or accidentally going too close. It is IPX7 waterproof as well, so you can happily use it in the shower or even the bath. With 3 trim lengths, 3, 6, and 12 millimeters, you can choose how tidy you want things, from short and neat to a bit more natural. The ceramic blade is designed to be sharp yet safe, reducing snags when you are trimming balls or groin hair. A detail attachment lets you clean up smaller areas from head to toe without scratching your skin. If you like the idea of an easy, travel-friendly manscaper with a helpful LED, Vikicon fits the brief. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Manscaped. Manscaped is built for guys who like options and want that grooming kit in one tool feeling. It includes 2 interchangeable skin-safe blade heads, a trimmer blade for length, and a foil blade to go extra smooth. You also get multiple combs from around 1.4 to 12 millimeters, plus a travel pouch and USB-C charging. The dual head system is the star here. You can first knock the hair down to the length you want with the trimmer blade, then swap to the foil blade if you want a much closer finish. It is a great way to control exactly how bare or trimmed you want to go. Just remember, skin-safe technology reduces the risk of cuts, but does not make you invincible. Go slowly and use the guards. Another clever feature is the dual temperature LEDs that light up your trimming area. That makes it easier to see all skin tones clearly and avoid guessing along folds or curves. The battery offers up to 60 minutes of use, and a travel lock helps prevent it from turning on in your bag. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Invjoy. Invjoy is all about mixing power with safety. It uses soft ceramic blades with an anti-cut design and a strong 7,000 revolutions per minute motor, which together aim to give you a close, efficient trim without shredding your confidence in the process. There is a built-in light to help you see where you are going, especially useful around the scrotum and crease areas where visibility is usually poor. The brand recommends starting with the protection comb in sensitive areas, which is smart if you are new to manscaping or just want extra reassurance. You can use it wet or dry thanks to the IPX7 waterproof rating, so trimming in the shower is no problem, and cleaning afterwards is quick. The adjustable guide comb offers 3 lengths, 3, 4.5, and 6 millimeters, giving you simple, practical control over how much hair you want to leave. With about 90 minutes of runtime from a 1.5-hour charge and a handy USB charging base, Invjoy fits nicely into daily routines and travel bags alike. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Meridian. Meridian is aimed at men who want grooming to feel relaxed and low stress, not nerve-wracking. Its ceramic blade is designed to trim just above the surface of the skin, which helps avoid razor burn, bumps, and ingrown hairs, common issues when you use tools not meant for pubic hair. It is fully waterproof, so you can use it under the shower or over the sink without worrying about damage. Being shower safe also means easier cleanup. A quick rinse and you are done, instead of fighting hair everywhere on the bathroom floor. What makes Meridian popular is its versatility. It can tackle thick, fine, curly, or coarse hair and works on all areas: chest, groin, underarms, arms, legs, you name it. 2 adjustable guides and an anti-nick guard give you control over length while keeping safety front and center. The trimmer is sleek, shock-resistant, and cordless, which is great if you travel or like to keep your routine minimal. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2, Bomic. Bomic is for men who want one device to handle nearly every grooming job. It is a 4-in-1 system with attachments for body trimming, a foil shaver for sensitive areas like the groin and balls, a nose trimmer, and a beard trimmer with 20 adjustable lengths. That means you can shape your beard, tidy your body, and clean up below the belt using a single tool. The blades use hypoallergenic R-shaped ceramic design to glide smoothly over curves and folds. That rounded profile helps reduce the chance of cuts in delicate areas, making it especially good for pubic hair and ball shaving where precision matters. Battery life is impressive, over 100 minutes of cordless use from about a 1.5-hour charge. A smart LED display shows the remaining battery, and the built-in light helps you avoid missing spots when you are working in shadowy areas. Did you like it? In the description you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Gillette E7. Gillette. i7 deserves a spot in this video because it feels purpose-built for intimate grooming while still working great as a general body trimmer. It comes with 2 combs, one designed to reduce the risk of cuts and another 2mm comb for an even, tidy length. Together they make it easy to choose between very close and simply well-groomed. A standout feature is the LED halo light, which surrounds your trimming area with clear, even illumination. That extra visibility is a huge help when working in low light or on hard-to-see angles, letting you groom with more confidence and detail. The ergonomic handle and rubberized grip pads are designed for control at multiple angles, which is exactly what you need when trimming around curves and sensitive skin. A travel lock prevents accidental activation in your bag so you do not find a dead battery when you need it most. You get up to 100 minutes of cordless runtime, and it comes with a charging stand for easy, tidy storage. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best pubic hair trimmers for men you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.